Ron Kinsella?
Kinsella.
Yeah. Ron Kinsella.
Yeah.
Well, Ron, thanks for being here.
Hey, thanks for having us. It was fun.
It is. Now with the workshop, you guys are building rocking chairs.
Yes.
How did that go for you?
It was great.
Yeah?
Learned a lot.
Did you?
It's cool. You get to take something home too. You know. So
Oh, yes. What was your favorite part about the whole workshop experience?
The inlay that he put of the deer.
Oh, you did a 3D carving.
3D carving in the back of the chair.
You customized that, didn't you?
It's incredible.
That's fantastic.
It's absolutely incredible. Loved it.
That's great.
Yeah, I hope I can duplicate it.
Yes.
You know,
Yeah.
hopefully. You know,
Yeah, I think so.
Should be able to.
That's right. The magic of CNC is you should be able to load the same part, put the same code in there, and push go, and away you go.
These machines are incredible. I have so much fun with it.
That's awesome.
Build a lot of things with it.
Well, why did you consider getting a Legacy CNC in the first place over all the different options that are out there?
The way you guys promoted it, basically,
Okay.
and the support that you give the people you sell them to. So it's not like you sold it and then out the door you go. Mm-hmm. You guys are there. Anytime I've had a problem, I call John. He always gets back to me, and he answers my question and helps me out.
That's great.
Yeah, perfect. Just great support.
That's great.
After sale, you don't get that. You don't get what you guys give. It's unique.
Yeah?
Yes, it's incredible.
That's fantastic.
Yep. Nothing but good to say. Every one of you guys are happy. If you mess up, nobody almost swore.
I have the editing expertise.
There you go. And nobody yells at you. You know, it's like, oh, it's okay. We'll fix it. You know.
Yeah.
So awesome. It was a good time.
Good. We'll be putting more of these on, so we'll keep you on the list and the invite list. Let you know what's going to happen.
Absolutely.
It'll be fantastic.
Yeah, that's fun.
What are you using the machine for right now? You doing it as a hobby or business opportunities?
Hobby right now, probably business eventually. I'm making guitars.
Really?
Yes. Yes. I've made 5 so far.
Electric or acoustic?
Electric.
Electric guitars.
Yeah, it's fun. But yeah, they're playable, and I've had musicians tell me they're solid. You know.
That's great.
Yep.
That's fantastic. So as you've been using the machine, what have you found is kind of your favorite thing about it that has solved many problems that you just, either one, you couldn't touch these capabilities in the first place, or things that you go, you know, this just saves me a lot of time because of this solution?
Well, to be honest, I've spent most of my time just making guitars, and I haven't really done a whole lot of other things other than little signs or something for the kids or whatever, you know, but the guitars have taken all of my time. You know, and it's just fun. You know.
Were you making guitars before the CNC?
No.
So this opened up the actual avenue of being able to do it in the first place.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah. Yeah. I always wanted to do it, but I wasn't able. I have the smarts to do that. You know.
Yeah.
But you know, bought some files and away I went. You know, a lot of work into the files, but you know, it was definitely a starting point.
Yeah. There is a learning curve to it, but it's awesome that you're able to even take the fundamentals and create something like almost like a work of art.
Yeah,
something that people really
and you can
appreciate.
use it. That's what I like. It's not something you build and set there. This is something you pick up every day if you want to. You know?
Exactly.
Yeah, it's fun.
That's great. I look forward to seeing some of your future projects then.
Yeah.
It'll be exciting. You got a rocking chair in the works. It's going to be assembled after you get home, right?
Oh yeah. I'll have to put some other things aside, but I'll definitely put it together.
That's great. Well, I appreciate your time again. Thanks for answering some questions, and it's awesome that you're here.
Yeah, no, it's been a good trip.
Awesome. Well, we'll keep in touch, and I'll look forward to those photos. We'll brag about you a little bit.
Sounds good.
Good deal.
Thanks, man.
Hey, not a problem.
Yep.